Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to fix internet on Realme phone. Friends, you have internet problem on your Realme phone, so my how to fix today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Friends, open your phone setting guys, and friends click on additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Realme phone. So how to fix internet setting friends, last option click on backup and reset option setting. After noise backup and restore friends, you can see backup and restore, backup my data, backup account. Friends, you want to on backup my data, you can on, and friends you can backup your account. Friends, erase all data, factory reset friends, tap here. Friends, you want to erase all data on your device, so when you can erase after draw your pattern, you can erase your all data. Friends, click on network reset setting, and friends draw your pattern lock. So you have pattern, and friends you have any password, so I enter your password. So I will draw pattern, reset network setting friends, I will tap here to fix internet problem. After reset friends, your internet problem will solve, and friends you can use your mobile network and internet without any problem. After that friends, you have any problem with your internet setting, so friends you will have to take guys your phone model number screenshot and guys send me in comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. So like that guys, you can fix guys your internet setting, means guys you can reset your internet setting on your Realme phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Before going guys, please comment, like the video guys, and subscribe the channel. Bye guys.